Hi, this is Joe Greco, Corporate Design Director for Gatehouse Media. Today we're going to talk about the Find Change feature in Quark Express. You also may have heard of this feature as the Search and Replace or Find and Replace. It's all the same thing. Here is a great example of how you can put that feature to really good use. Let's say, for instance, you are pulling some text from an email or from a Word document or from some other content management systems, say such as Zope or what have you. You may find that the quote marks come over in the wrong format. Well, we need to change these to what we call smart quotes, and to do that, we're going to use the Find and Replace or the Find Change feature. To do that, let's go ahead and highlight a single instance of the wrong quotation mark. We're going to hit the command keys, Command C, F, V. CFV is copy, find, and paste. And move this in the window here. So what I did was I copied, I hit the Find Change feature by hitting Apple F, and then Apple V pasted that quotation mark in this field right here. The next thing I want to do is change it to the right quotation mark. And typically, when you type a quotation mark, it's in the correct format. So I'm just going to add a quotation mark there, and then I'm ready to go. Because of the way this is set up, you have to hit the Find Next button first, and then the Change All button. And that tells me that 85 instances were changed. As you can see, this is highlighting the last instance in this example, and that just saved me a ton of time instead of having to manually replace those quotation marks by hand. There are a number of other uses for the Find Change feature as well, but go ahead and try this feature with a small example to kind of get used to it, because it can be very helpful. It can also be very tricky and frustrating. So use it on sample copy first before you use it on any live page, just to kind of get the feel for how it works, and experiment with test pages. And once you get used to how the feature works, you'll be using it on a regular basis just about every day, which is what I do. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me, Joe Greco, at jgreco@gatehousemedia.com.